In this video, let's talk about how to fix the Telegram Premium not activating. So if you've just subscribed to the Telegram Premium and the premium subscription is not yet activated, in today's video, let me show you the few things that you can try out. Now, the first thing that you can do is verify your store subscription status. So what you need to do in this case is head over to your Play Store or App Store, depending upon your device, and check if the payment is gone through. If the payment has not gone through, this may be the exact issue that you're facing. But however, if the payment has gone through and you're not being able to see the badge yet, what you can do in this situation is try to log out of your Telegram account and then log in back. By doing this first step alone, you should be able to fix the issue. But however, if this is not the case for you, then what you can try out is try to restore your purchase. Just head over to the Telegram application on your device, head over to the settings, scroll down and head over to Telegram Premium. And if you have already subscribed to it, you can scroll down to the bottom of the page where you'll be able to see the option which says Restore Purchases. This will allow you Telegram to scan your Apple or Google account for the matching tokens. So these are the two things that you can try out in order to fix the Telegram Premium not activating. If this video did help you out, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.